Mihang'o ya gwethana na muruto wa thukuru wa iretu wa Mukumu kuma kaunti-ini ya Kakamega uria worire thibitari-ini thutha wake kuonekana na murimu wa COVID-19 yambikitwo. Kuringana na minista wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kaunti-ini ino Collins Mateba, augite muiretu yarorire thutha wa guikara thibitari-ini wa St Elizabeth kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ 2.
Huyo mwanafunzi alikuwa admitted kwa hii hospitali yenye karibu na Mukumu Girls inaitwa St Elizabeth Mission Hospital. Alikaa hapo siku 2 na sample zake zikachukuliwa zikapelekwa for testing. Kwa bahati mbaya alitoka positive, alikuwa confirmed positive. Lakini by the time the samples zilikuja, huyu msichana alikuwa ametoroka. Na vile alitoroka hakurudi shuleni, hakuenda nyumbani. So vile tunavyoongea hivi hatujui mahali ambapo yuko.
Mateba ni ugete kuri na urito wari kuroboya arutwo aria mainukaga micii ukiringithanio na aria makomaga thukuru-ini, akiuga ta kaunti ya Kakamega ni maigite mitaratara ya gutigirira arutwo othe mari moko-ini mega.
Unajua control kueneza kwa virusi day schools is not that easy. But now what we are doing as a ministry, penye tunapata report that kuna zile dalili za COVID mwanafunzi ameonyesha, tunatuma huko public health officers, wanaangalia na wanaenda kwa isolate mwanafunzi, then they do contact tracing.
Thukuru-ini wa Oyugi Ogango kaunti-ini ya Migori ino ni obisherera gutuga arutwo magicakaya gikuo kia mwarimu wao munene uria kwirikanite akuite ni undu wa murimo wa COVID-19 ona gutuika urugamiriri wa thukuru ino ni ureganite na ripoti ino.
It is not COVID-19 because I talked with the principal. She even sent me messages confirming the same. After the tests were done, both of them they turned negative.
Kaunti-ini ya Naikuru kurumirira kuongerereka kwa namba ya arwaru wa murimu wa COVID-19 ni gucungiriirie kunyiha gwa itanda cia ICU. Minista wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kaunti-ini ino Dagĩtarĩ Kariuki Gichuki akiuga aruti a ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kaunti-ini ino ni mararutithio wĩra mũingĩ kuri uria mabatie.
When we admit you, the cost is to the county government fully. Luckily, we have not lost any health worker in Nakuru County to COVID, but we have admitted many and discharged many. And a few have been even to ICU and back. So we are very, very happy that for that milestone, that none of our health workers has actually succumbed in Nakuru County, and that we are able to give them those services, and they are confident that we can manage them if they get sick.
Maya mokete orere na bayarwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 mogererekete na arwaru 925 na gukinyaniria ithabu ria bururi arwaru 71,729 arwaru 15 magikua kumana na murimu uyu. Mutafariri wa mihang'o thiini wa ministry ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Mercy Mwangangi akiuga Kenya mathie na mbere na gwithaitira kumana na kunyitwo ni murimu wa COVID-19 amu kuri na uhoteteku murimu uyu uguikara nginyagia mwaka turorete ihinda tariri. Gukinyaniria na riu maabitha ũgima wa mwĩrĩ 2,352 nio manyititwo ni murimu wa COVID-19 kuria nao 30 matoretio ni murimu uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjirũ wa Foro.